Okay, I'm recording it. That thing right there is called a yo-yo. And
when something hits the bait and everything, it triggers a switch up there. It reels the fish up.
it reels the fish up.
But if it's big enough, it'll hook it. And you come in and change the yo-yo.
What? That is crazy.
Look at that. What is that?
I don't know. That's some kind of fruit. Okay.
That might be mayhaw.
No.
That is. That's the biggest mayhaw I've seen.
Isn't mayhaw a grape?
No.
What's mayhaw?
It's a fruit off of a tree, or bush, or a tree.
Oh yeah. How deep is right now? Are we in Caddo?
4 foot. Except that's off of a cypress tree.
Yeah. You want me to try to reach for it, or you're gonna get it? Okay. Oh, I got some. Yeah, I got a couple. I don't know what they are. Let me show you what I've got. I don't know. It's kind of like a nut. See it? We're gonna ask Mom what these are all about. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off now.